So we are on to the spinner, or sorry, the prop that's going to be attached to the spinner that's going to fly when we yank on that key right there. And so we're going to do our first sketch on this. What we need to do is be looking at the top of our spinner. So we'll orient this so we're looking at the top like this. And I'm actually going to click top so that I make sure I get that center point right there showing nice for me. We're going to make 3 center point circles based on the origin right there. And all 3 of the dimensions are listed for it right here. And notice that the small circle is 1.2 millimeters from the top edge of the spinner, not the larger bottom edge. And so it's important to understand that there's 2 edges here. This is the edge of the top of the spinner. That's the edge of the bottom of the spinner. We want to be 1.2 millimeters from the edge of the top of the spinner. So this line to this line is 1.2, not from this line to this line. And then the other thing is to notice that that 0 with a slash through it there is a diameter sign, which means that the diameter of this inner circle, the diameter of this outer circle is 75 millimeters. And then this inner circle right here is 0.4 millimeters smaller than that outer circle. So lots of dimensioning to do here. Let's go ahead and get to it, guys. We need a sketch. It needs to be on the top face. So click anywhere on the top face for this. And we'll have 3 concentric circles. So here's one. We'll just make that one a little bit bigger. Then our top of our spinner, then 2 more. There's 1 and 1 more. So we are going to be dimensioning these things. We need from this edge right here, not this edge right here to the circle needs to be a distance of 1.2. Next, we need to recognize that our, I believe it's larger circle. Yep, the larger circle has a diameter of 75. So to get a diameter, we go from one side of the circle to the other with our measuring tool. We'll set that to 75. And then the distance between the circle and this circle is 0.4. And there we go. So that's got us all set up. I had to redo this one a couple times, guys, because the circles were giving me a little bit of a problem, or fits, whatever, but I was able to do it correctly for the video this time, thankfully. So that's going to be it for this step, and we'll be back with what's next.